Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy evening mom. Today's current affairs. World Environment Day is observed annually on which date to stress on the importance of everyone's active participation in environment conservation and sustainable living. It is on June 5th mom. June 5th World Environment Day. So this year the theme is celebrating biodiversity. Celebrating biodiversity. The day will be hosted in Colombia in partnership with Germany, who has authored the new book, The Dry Fasting Miracle From Deprive to Thrive. The Dry Fasting Miracle From Deprive to Thrive, to promote benefits of dry fasting diet. So it's Luke Countyho. Luke Countyho. Andhra Pradesh government has provided a total amount of 262.49 crores, providing rupees 10,000 rupees, providing 10,000 rupees to 2.62 lakh auto and cab drivers in this state. So Andhra Pradesh executive capital Vizag, Visakhapatnam, that is judicial capital Kurnool, legislative capital Amaravati, governor Tamilisai Soundararajan, Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. Which state or union territory has launched an app to provide salary information to employees in remote and rural areas? It is none other than Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir capitals Jammu winter, Srinagar in summer. Lieutenant Governor Girish Chandra Murmu. Which of the following bank has partnered with MasterCard and Worldline to launch a soft POS and enable smartphones to be used as a POS? What is POS ma? Point of sale. POS means point of sale. So to be used as POS devices. It is none other than Axis Bank. Axis Bank headquarters Mumbai, Maharashtra. Chief Executive Officer Amitabh Chaudhary. Tagline: Bharti ka naam Jindagi. Bharti ka naam Jindagi. MasterCard headquarters New York, United States. Chief Executive Officer Ajay Banga. Who among the following has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Adidas India? It is Manushi Chillar. Adidas headquarters Herzo Janaraj, Germany. CEO Kasper Rorsted. Kasper Rorsted. Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently addressed the Virtual Global Vaccine Summit 2020. India has pledged how many $1 million, ma'am? It's a $15 million to Gavi Vaccine Alliance. Ma, what is Gavi? That is the Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunization. Headquarters Geneva, Switzerland. CEO Seth Berkley. Who has developed a device named Sumeru Packs that helps wearers of personal protective equipment PPE to feel comfortable without sweating? It is none other than DRDO ma, Defense Research and Development Organization. DRDO headquarters New Delhi, founded on 1958. Chairman Dr. G. Satish Reddy. Energy Efficiency Services has signed an MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, with which company for development of tri-generation projects in India? It is GAIL. GAIL. GAIL headquarters New Delhi, India. CEO Sri Manoj Jain. ESL Energy Efficiency Services Limited, headquarters New Delhi, India. Chairman Raju Sharma. Basu Chatterjee, who passed away recently, was a famous filmmaker. Name the initiative launched by the Union HRD Minister and Minister of State Housing and Urban Affairs to provide internship opportunities to fresh graduates in all urban local bodies and smart cities across the country. So that initiative is none other than TULIP, the Urban Learning Internship Program. TULIP, a program for providing internship opportunities to fresh graduates in all urban local bodies and smart cities across the country. Name the program launched by Union Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar on the occasion of World Environment Day. It is urban forest program. What is the theme of the WEF Davos Summit for its next annual Davos meeting in January 2021? It is the Great Reset. The Great Reset. So, World Economic Forum, that is the WEF, headquarters Cologne, Switzerland, Executive Chairman Klaus Schwab. Which country is all set to host the AFC Women's Asia Cup Finals in 2022? That is none other than India. So, Asian Football Confederation, AFC, headquarters Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, President Salman bin Ibrahim Al Khalifa, General Secretary Windsor John. Which state is implementing the food forest project in tribal belts of the region to provide food security to 192 tribal villages? It is none other than Kerala. Kerala capital Thiruvananthapuram, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, Governor Arif Muhammad Khan. With 8 Indian institutes in top 100, India now ranks at the which position? Third position in the Times Higher Education Asia University ranking. The government of which state has launched the Spandan campaign to check suicide and fratricide involving police personnel? What is this fratricide, a person who kills their brother or sister, or the accidental killing of one's own forces in war, is what we call it as fratricide. So, the government of which state has launched the Spandan campaign to check suicide and fratricide involving police personnel? It is none other than Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh capital Raipur, Chief Minister Bhupesh Bagal, Governor Anusuya UK. The Reserve Bank of India has announced the creation of a how many crores, 500 crore Payments Infrastructure Development Fund, PIDF, to encourage deployment of a point of sale infrastructure in tier 3 to tier 6 centers and the northeast. So, it is both physical and digital modes. So, RBI headquarters Mumbai, founded on 1st April 1935, Governor Shaktikanta Das. Name the port which has been renamed by the central government as the Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port Trust to mark the 150th anniversary celebrations of the Port Trust. It is none other than Kolkata Port Trust. According to the World Bank, how many $1 million? It's $60 million could be pushed into extreme poverty in 2020 in the wake of the coronavirus crisis. World Bank headquarters Washington DC, United States, President David Malpass. Which company has introduced an upgraded online retail platform, Click to Buy, curated to provide future retail experience to customers in the wake of a COVID-19 pandemic? It is none other than Hyundai. Hyundai headquarters Seoul, South Korea, Chairman Chung Mong-koo. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.